I'm Stephanie Lunn, and I worked with Carlos Mestre on eEVA Data Generation and User Results Analysis version 1.0. This is our Wishlist and Shortcomings video. For eEVA version 1.0, our user stories focused primarily on the results for the drinker's checkup, as well as implementation of a number of important system features, such as adding a next button and toggling of the counselor. However, future versions will need to add the following items. Firstly, it's important to add scoring of the system for the various interventions so that the variables can be pulled from the database and displayed to users with the appropriate scores. Also, there are still further pages in the original's drinker checkup results that will need to be added into the system and displayed. There should also be a verbal option to go back in the results section, since presently the content is used for displaying the results, and the system is unable to go back in this type of element. Finally, a pause button will need to be added to the system so that as the counselor is speaking, she can be paused at any time. Then there are some items that would be nice to be added as well. Having some selection options for the counselor, including different sexes and ethnicities. Also, virtualhealthcounseling.com is presently on the web. However, having a clean interface for users to log in and begin taking the interventions is necessary. We'll also need to add sections from the text-based system that are not present currently in the forms, such as not so good things about drinking and other items that they put in the original questionnaire but were never implemented in eEVA. Finally, it's important to make sure that all of the pages are CSS styling web responsive. As Carlos and I went through, we discovered a number of items that were unable to be resized based on the presently implemented system. And although we made sure that all of our pages were compliant with this, it will be important at some point to go back and make sure that all of the prior items also are web responsive. We hope that you enjoy working on eEVA, and we look forward to seeing future versions.